we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this Range Rover Velar with a Halo Mini Immobiliser to protect against key clone and relay attack. What's going on at the minute? So if a thief got your key, went to steal it, nothing's going to happen. The ignition's not going to power up and it's just going to say smart key not recognised. It's not going to see the key at all. So what the customer's got to do when they hop in, just simply pop their code in, unique to them. We get a flash from the indicators. We can start the vehicle. It starts and runs. As soon as they hop out, the system's active. So if someone tries to grab your key, as soon as you hop out the car, nothing's going to happen. It's going to need that code instantly. The customer's taking this for a service. What they'll do, they'll first have to prove it's them. So we get their flash, put their code in. Now we'll turn the ignition on but not start the vehicle, pop our code in again, and on the last press we're going to hold it for 10 seconds and we're going to get 5 flashes. Now we've got them, the system's in an unlimited valet mode. So as long as it's with the dealer, it's getting serviced, it's just going to be a normal vehicle. It's not going to expire. They can road test it, service it, keep the vehicle as long as they need to, do what they need to do. And obviously when you get the vehicle back, you're going to want to turn the system back on. So what you'll do, turn the ignition on without starting the vehicle, pop your code in, and just like before, you'll hold on the last button for 10 seconds. This time, coming out of service mode, we're only going to get 1 flash. Now we've got that, we can let go of the button, the system's active, so you'll see as soon as we hop out, the system's armed and it's going to need that code to start the vehicle. There you go, so we'll pop the code in, showing that the vehicle's secure. We've got our flash, now we can start. Obviously the customer can set their own code on this. The way they'll do that is they first need to disarm the system to prove it's them. So when they hop in, pop their code in, which proves it's them, then we'll turn the ignition on. We'll pop our foot to the floor 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash which confirms our new code. So now we'll see the old code doesn't do anything. No flash, can't start the vehicle. Get in, we'll try our new code. We get our 1 flash. We can start the vehicle and drive. This is the Halo Mini on a Range Rover Velar. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.